Hit the screen in under 3 seconds and feel instant energy as a turbo yogurt parfait meets crisp veggie sticks. First up, cucumber cups filled with whipped feta and herbs, delivering refreshing crunch, protein, and hydration in a minute. Next, chia lemon jar strings together fiber-heavy oats, chia seeds, almonds, and citrus zing for a portable boost. Avocado rice cake bites top with cherry tomato and lime for heart-healthy fats that keep hunger at bay. Remember to like and subscribe for more speedy snacks, and drop your favorite quick idea in the comments.